Cheers. All right, now we're gonna make Tex-Mex Fajita vegetables. So we're gonna have onions, red peppers, yellow peppers, maybe some green peppers. We're gonna cut the onions into half-inch strips. I did that before we shot this because I didn't want to cry on camera. But I am gonna cut the orange peppers that I have here into half-inch strips and the red pepper. And we're gonna put the finished ingredients into a bowl here, and we're going to add to them a little bit of Primal Kitchen avocado oil, some Primal Kitchen Italian dressing. Shake it up good. All right, add that, nice. Some chili powder or chipotle powder. For the amount that we're going to make, maybe a half a teaspoon is good. I'm just going to guess on that. And then some garlic powder. Lovely. We're going to mix those all up. Again, I like to use my hands to mix those all up and make sure everything is sufficiently coated. We're going to have preheated an oven to 425, and we're going to roast these for about 20 minutes. So I've spread these out into a roasting pan. I've preheated my oven to 425. I'm going to roast these for 15 to maybe 20 minutes, but check them at 15, they might be done. All right, so I've taken these out of the oven, I've plated them. They look fantastic. And then to add a final little bit of Tex-Mex flair to it, I'm going to squeeze some lime juice over the top. Good forearm workout too. And there you have it, ready to go.